In case you live in the city and belong to the No Grills Allowed Club, we're gonna show you how to make barbecue pulled pork in the slow cooker. We're gonna take all of our ingredients: ketchup, apple cider vinegar, a whole lot of brown sugar, McCormick slow cooker pulled pork seasoning. We're gonna whisk it up. This is where all your flavor comes from for that pulled pork. Once that's whisked, we got a poke butt. Pork shoulder, I mean. Take this big old butt, throw it in our slow cooker. We have our lovely seasoning mix that we've thrown together. Slather it. Oh, yes. 8 hours or 4 hours on high. Go live your life in the city. And now you're back from 8 hours of city living. And now you gotta shred it up. I got my 2 forks. Let's get into it. Tear it up. Look at that. And just keep ripping. You're stripping and you're ripping. And there's all those juices. You wanna make sure all those juices get all into the whole pork shoulder. And once you've shredded your pork to shreds, get it back in there with those juices that it's been cooking in. And that's indoor barbecue done right. No angry letters, y'all. I know this ain't authentic, but good barbecue, it's not worth fighting over. This is delicious. And if you wanna fill out your barbecue, you can try some cheesy cornbread or baked beans right in the slow cooker. Get crazy with it.